Hi there, hope you're well. Okay, so this is what we need to do for if you would like to get better at note reading. So the first thing you're going to do is go to musictheory.net and you will go here to exercises, click note identification, and your screen won't look like this originally because I've already set mine up, but it will look a little bit more complex than that. So we're going to go up here to the settings to make your life easy. So go settings, make sure that the clef is the treble clef. So tick that one. Go back, you want the treble range and you want open D here. So this is for violin for the D and the A strings, just as today's example. So make sure that you have open D there, which is underneath all the lines. And then you've got high D here, which is the second top line, and you can move that up and down as you need. So that's where your notes need to be. Positions, you need to make sure lines and spaces are ticked. Key signatures, just make sure it's this top one with the natural sign. Note names, make sure letters is ticked. Helpers you can leave off. Accidentals, make sure that this is toggled on blue. Note filter, make sure that's toggled on blue. Notes, I need you to copy what's here. So C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A and B, and you can just select or deselect whichever ones you need, but make sure that you've got these. These make up the D major scale, which is our first scale and all the first 8 notes that we learn on the violin. Then next question, select immediately. And if you like, you can do challenge mode. So this is if you want to time yourself. Say you want a 1-minute timer and you want to answer 20 questions in 1 minute. And then you can select multiple attempts if you like. So if you make a mistake on an answer, you can have another go at it. But if not, that is fine too. So once all that's done, click into no man's land here and we will start. So we will use our little face in the space saying for this one because this note is in a space. So F-A-C-E. That is the note A. And I want you to actually have your violin with you and make sure that your fingers go on the string that's needed. So A is obviously easy because we don't need any fingers for A. What about this one? So we've got every good boy deserves Freddos. So the note B is 1 finger on the A string. So you're going to, with your violin, put 1 finger on the A string where your note B is, and then I want you to click B. We have another A there. Ooh, let's try this one. It's the note underneath all the lines. That gives us a hint. We know that is the note D, 0 fingers on the D string. So there we go. Here we go. Here's another one. Every good boy deserves Freddos because it's a line note and it is B. Put 1 finger on your A string to make the note B. Give it a pluck and then click the note B. There's A again. Ooh, here we go. It's a space note, F-A-C-E, face in the space, and that is in the F space, and you can see we've got the sharp sign here. So I want you to put 2 fingers on the D string, pluck that so you can hear it, and then select F sharp. Every good boy deserves Freddos. It's the note E. It's 1 finger on the D string, pluck that note on your violin, and select E. And then you just keep going and going and going. And as you can see up here, we've got, you can see what my score is and you can see how many questions I've answered. So if I keep going, it will sort of tell you what's what, and you can see that my score is going really well because I am so good at this, like you will be too. All right, so that's the idea. We'll go through this at your next lesson anyway, but that's a nice handy little thing to have on the computer, and every time you go to musictheory.net it should save all of your settings, so you won't need to go through any of this again. But as we start learning notes on the G string, we'll set down to the note G, and for the E string we'll set up to 4 fingers on the E string, which is a B. So we'll end up getting up there, but just for now let's keep nice and easy right there. Okay, hope that helps and we'll see you soon.